Ever wondered how Joe Rogan, the man behind the world's most popular podcast, manages his finances? Well, you're in for a treat. We're about to embark on a fascinating journey into the financial mind of this multifaceted personality, who's not just a successful podcaster, but also a prominent UFC commentator and an accomplished stand-up comedian. Joe Rogan, the powerhouse behind the Joe Rogan Experience, has created a financial empire that many of us can only dream of. His unconventional approach to money management, coupled with his unique career choices, has paved the way for a wealth-building strategy that's as surprising as it is effective. This video is set to reveal the secrets behind Rogan's financial success, offering a glimpse into the mindset and habits that have helped him build a lucrative career. From his investment strategies to his lifestyle choices, we'll cover it all. Ready to delve into the world of Joe Rogan's finance secrets? Buckle up. Buckle. If we're going to talk about Joe Rogan's finance secrets, we must first understand his humble beginnings. Born and raised in Newark, New Jersey, Joe Rogan didn't start his journey with a silver spoon in his mouth. His early years were marked by laborious work, as he took on several jobs to make ends meet. It was during these years that Rogan began to understand the value of money and the importance of financial management. His career in the entertainment industry started in the late 80s with stand-up comedy. Rogan had a knack for making people laugh, and he quickly found himself performing in small clubs around Boston. His early career was anything but glamorous, as he often performed for free drinks and a little bit of food. Despite the challenges, Rogan was determined to succeed, and this persistence eventually paid off. As he honed his craft, Rogan began to realize the potential in stand-up comedy. He knew that he could turn his passion into a profitable career, but it would require strategic planning and smart financial decisions. So, he started saving every penny he could, investing his time and energy into improving his performance and expanding his audience. In the mid-90s, Rogan's hard work began to bear fruit. He landed a role in the sitcom News Radio and became a color commentator for the Ultimate Fighting Championship. These gigs not only brought him fame but also provided him with a steady income, allowing him to start building his wealth. Rogan's early years taught him the importance of perseverance and patience. He understood that success wouldn't come overnight, and he was prepared to put in the work and make the necessary financial sacrifices. His humble beginnings shaped his attitude towards money and taught him the importance of financial management. From his early years, Joe Rogan learned the value of money and the importance of financial management. His journey from a struggling stand-up comedian to a successful entertainer is a testament to his financial acumen and a clear demonstration of how perseverance, hard work, and smart financial decisions can lead to success. In 2009, Joe Rogan launched what would become one of the most successful podcasts in the world. The Joe Rogan Experience, as it's known today, began as a small passion project, a platform for Rogan to share his thoughts and engage in deep conversations with interesting people from all walks of life. The podcast's growth wasn't overnight. It was a slow and steady climb, built on consistent efforts and a dedication to authenticity. Rogan didn't chase trends or pander to popular opinion. Instead, he stayed true to himself and his interests, creating a unique and engaging platform that resonated with millions of listeners worldwide. As the podcast grew in popularity, it also became a significant source of income for Rogan. He leveraged this newfound success not only to increase his wealth, but also to build a brand that extended far beyond the podcast itself. The Joe Rogan Experience became more than just a show. It became a symbol of Rogan's commitment to open dialogue, intellectual curiosity, and personal growth. Rogan's approach to managing the financial success of his podcast was equally unconventional. Instead of splurging on luxury goods or high-risk investments, Rogan focused on building a sustainable business model that would provide a steady income stream and financial security for years to come. He reinvested in his podcast, improving production quality and expanding his team. He diversified his income, branching out into stand-up comedy, television hosting, and even launching his own line of fitness equipment. And perhaps most importantly, Rogan recognized the value of his personal brand. He understood that his authenticity and integrity were his greatest assets, and he made sure to protect them at all costs. He never allowed the pursuit of wealth to compromise his values or the quality of his content. The success of the Joe Rogan Experience is a testament to Rogan's business acumen and financial savvy. It's a story of how passion, hard work, and smart financial decisions can lead to unprecedented success. And it's a reminder that in the world of finance, as in life, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Success is about finding what works for you and staying true to it, no matter what. In 2020, Rogan inked a deal with Spotify that shook the podcasting world. This wasn't just any deal, it was an exclusive licensing agreement, a first of its kind in the podcast industry. This move saw the Joe Rogan Experience, one of the most popular podcasts worldwide, become a Spotify exclusive. So what was the magic number that sealed this groundbreaking deal? A whopping $100 million. Yes, you heard it right. $100 million for a podcast. This was a testament to the value Rogan had built with his podcast, his brand, and his loyal following. But this wasn't just about the money. There's more to it. This deal was a strategic move that demonstrated Rogan's financial wisdom. He didn't just sell his podcast, he licensed it. This meant that he retained ownership of his show while also reaping the benefits of Spotify's extensive reach and resources. This was a win-win situation for Rogan, a smart move that allowed him to maintain control while significantly boosting his wealth. And the impact on his wealth? Well, that was substantial. The Spotify deal was a game-changer, skyrocketing Rogan's net worth to new heights. This move alone is believed to have more than doubled his net worth, propelling him into the league of the entertainment industry's top earners. But beyond the numbers, this deal underscores a key aspect of Rogan's approach to wealth accumulation: strategic thinking. He's not just chasing the dollar, he's making calculated moves that align with his long-term goals, maintaining control of his creative output while leveraging opportunities to grow his wealth. The Spotify deal is a prime example of Rogan's strategic approach to wealth accumulation. It's a testament to his financial savvy, a clear demonstration of how he's leveraged his talent, his brand, and his following to build a lucrative career. And it's a lesson for us all that strategic thinking, not just hard work, is key to achieving financial success. Joe Rogan is not just a successful entertainer, he's also a wise investor. His approach to investing is as diverse as his career, from stand-up comedy and podcasting to UFC commentary. His investment portfolio reflects this diversity, showcasing an understanding of the importance of not putting all your eggs in one basket. Rogan has been known to invest in a range of areas, including real estate and companies. His real estate investments, for instance, are not just limited to fancy homes in Los Angeles. He has properties in various states across the U.S., capitalizing on geographical diversity to spread risk and potentially reap the rewards of different real estate markets. This is a classic example of an investment strategy called diversification, a method of spreading risk by investing in a variety of assets. Rogan's investments also extend into the business world. He's invested in companies across different sectors, including health and wellness, technology, and entertainment. For instance, he's a known advocate for Onnit, a health and wellness company that focuses on nutritional supplements. Rogan's investment in Onnit is not just a financial one, but also a personal one. His belief in the company's products and mission mirrors his own commitment to health and fitness, highlighting the importance of aligning your investments with your values and interests. Rogan's diversified portfolio is a testament to his forward-thinking mindset. He understands that investing is a long-term game, and that it's not just about making quick profits, but also about securing financial stability for the future. His investment strategies reflect this approach, focusing on steady growth and long-term potential rather than short-term gains. Rogan's investment strategies show that he's not just making money, he's also making his money work for him. He's a shining example of how wise investing can lead to financial freedom, and his approach offers valuable insights for anyone looking to take control of their financial future. Despite his wealth, Rogan leads a surprisingly simple lifestyle. Now you might wonder, how does a man of such affluence and popularity maintain a straightforward lifestyle? Well, it's all about choices and priorities. Rogan, known for his love of mixed martial arts, doesn't just talk about the sport. He lives it. His commitment to health and fitness is not just a hobby, but a lifestyle choice that impacts his financial management. Instead of splurging on luxury items or unnecessary extravagances, Rogan invests in his health, buying organic food, hiring personal trainers, and maintaining a regular fitness regimen. Additionally, he's a big advocate for mental health. He regularly practices yoga and meditation, activities known for their stress-relieving benefits. This focus on mental well-being is not a mere luxury for Rogan, it's a crucial part of his lifestyle, contributing to his productivity and ultimately his earning potential. Moreover, Rogan's preference for simple living extends to his housing situation. Despite his financial capacity to live in a grand mansion, he instead chooses a comfortable, modest home. This decision isn't about scrimping and saving, but about focusing on what genuinely matters to him, a comfortable space conducive to his lifestyle. But don't be mistaken. Rogan's lifestyle choices aren't about denial or austerity, they're about value. He spends money where he sees value, whether that's on high-quality food for his family, equipment for his podcast, or experiences that enrich his life. This brings us to a valuable lesson from Rogan's lifestyle choices. It's not about earning more to spend more. It's about understanding what truly matters to you and aligning your spending with those values. This simple yet powerful approach allows Rogan to live a fulfilling life while also securing his financial future. Rogan's lifestyle choices reveal a key aspect of his finance secrets, the value of living within your means. It's not about how much you earn, but how wisely you spend and invest that makes the difference. And as Joe Rogan's life illustrates, sometimes the most valuable investment you can make is in yourself. So, what can we learn from Joe Rogan's finance secrets? Well, there are a multitude of lessons we can extract from Rogan's journey to financial success. At the heart of it all, a relentless work ethic is paramount. Rogan's rise to fame and fortune wasn't an overnight affair. It involved years of dedication, tenacity, and a willingness to embrace the grind. From his early years in stand-up comedy to his unprecedented Spotify deal, his journey illustrates that there's no shortcut to success. Then, there's the aspect of strategic investing. Rogan's investment strategies are both bold and calculated. He's not one to shy away from taking risks, but he also ensures that he's well informed before making any significant financial decisions. He diversifies his investments, spreading them across different platforms and industries. This approach not only minimizes risk, but also opens up multiple income streams. Rogan's story also underscores the importance of living within your means. Despite his enormous wealth, he maintains a relatively modest lifestyle. He understands that financial security isn't about how much you earn, but how much you save and invest. He isn't swayed by the flashy allure of extravagant spending, and instead focuses on building a sustainable financial future. In addition, Rogan's approach to finance is deeply intertwined with his overall philosophy of life. He values experiences over material possessions, and this reflects in his spending habits. He invests in experiences that contribute to his personal growth and happiness, rather than splurging on short-lived luxuries. Lastly, Rogan's finance secrets reveal the importance of adaptability. The world of finance is ever-evolving, and staying ahead of the curve requires an ability to adapt and evolve with it. Rogan has consistently demonstrated this adaptability, navigating changes in his career and the financial landscape with ease and foresight. In conclusion, Joe Rogan's finance secrets offer valuable lessons for anyone looking to achieve financial success. His journey serves as an inspiring reminder that financial freedom isn't a destination, but a journey of constant learning, strategic planning, and disciplined execution.